These are the Triumph water saving fittings, which can allow you to save up to 60% of your household water usage. These fittings have universal applications which can control the flow rates in your shower, basin and sinks. The sink mixer aerator controls the flow rate to 6 litres per minute. It's a slightly higher volume which allows you to fill the basin quicker if needed. The inline shower restrictor restricts the flow to 8.5 litres per minute. Now you can use this with your existing shower rows and you'll still get that full body spray. These fittings really are simple and easy to install. You can make use of the multi-tool which accommodates various different sizes, and it also prevents any damage to your existing tap fitting, opposed to using pliers. You can make use of the existing tap cap and just replace the insert. These restrictors and aerators are available as a combo kit from builders, or you can buy them individually. If you like this product information, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel where you'll get notifications of similar products coming out with all the tips and tricks.